discuss with you how to set up foundation forms or wall forms, however you would call them. So right now I have this started. If you're going up against an existing wall or starting at a corner, however you're doing it, you're going to start at the corner normally. If you're doing a regular house and you're not going up against anything existing, you would start at the corner and level that off. If you're doing an extension or an extension of a wall, you're going to just start at whatever point you begin at. So let's take a look closer at what we're trying to accomplish here. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to get level. So as you can see, I have a couple of braces here and here. I would use 2x4s. This is just for a demonstration. I'm using these 1x's, but they're not very strong, so I recommend 2x4s. So the first thing that you want to do is, once you set this up, you see here I have the snap ties clipped with the clip here. Okay, and on this side there are no clips, so you would buy clips separately that are not included with the forms, and you would just put a clip and then a nail right here on the top and bend that over, and that would lock that in depending on what you're going up against. So the first thing you want to do after you get this point, you're going to check that you're level. So as you can see here, we're level, and you're going to also want to check your level here. Now we're on a pitched patio, so obviously this is not going to be level, as you can see. So in this situation, if you were on a footing that, let's say, was not level, I would stick either a snap tie, which is one of these things, or a piece of wood underneath the form here and get them as straight as can be. You're going to want to get this straight at the beginning, because once you get to the end of your wall, when you're trying to close it, it'll be sitting like this on an angle, and it'll be very tough to close, especially if you're going towards a corner, and you wouldn't want to look like a fool in front of your customer, or if you're doing your own home. So now the next step that you're going to do is you're going to put the snap ties in place. So once you're level, you see these are called snap ties or resi ties. This is set up for 8 inches. So you see this little notch here is where the tie will sit. So as you can see, put it right in here, just like this, and see how that rests in there. This is what's going to hold your forms together during the pour. So we'll come down to the middle, and as you can see, if it doesn't go all the way down, you're just going to, and that's going to make it be flat. You're going to sit in this little notch. See, so this holds. Let me just put my little brace back up here. Alright, so now that you got your snap ties in, now if you were going to pour the wall to, let's say, this height, you would not put in the snap tie, you would take it out. If you're going to go from here to, let's say, the top, then you need this snap tie in for extra security. Okay, so let's throw up the next form. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your form, you're going to butt it up against the other one, like so. See how that's now matching? And now you're going to flip the clip. Okay, so as you can see, we're now all hooked up here. See how the snap tie, the clip is now hooking to this bolt, and which is also hooking to this form. So now this form is now totally secure to this one. Okay, so now I'll try to get you a little bit of a closer look. I'll try to do this. So as you can see, we're going to do the exact same process that we did on the other side. So we're going to flip this clip, just like so, and bang it right into place. Now, as you can see, sometimes the form might come misaligned. Grab it with your hammer, and just pull it out a little bit, put a little bit in, flip this clip, Now, if you see your snap tie is not quite out all the way, a little trick is to do like that. That'll pull it out. Bang. You're in business. Then you come up to the middle, which now will be the easiest because the other top and bottom are in. And there you go. So now these forms are totally secure to one another. So now, when you come to this point, you're ready to set up your next form, but you see you got cement in the hole. You're going to take the hammer, and you're going to knock out that concrete. This one is clean. This one has a little bit of cement. You're going to clean it right out just like that. Other side is going to be the exact same thing. And then you're going to take your snap ties or your resi ties and you're going to set them in just like so. So see how this form is a little out? You're going to just push it in, kick it with your foot. And there you go. Go to the bottom. Same process. And now you're ready to lock on to the next form. And for pulling the forms apart, it's the exact same sequence. Once you're ready to strip, so let's say you got concrete in here, you got your cement poured, there's a special breaker tool that'll go like this. You pull, snap this tab off, and then all you're going to do is just take your hammer and flip the clip up like so. And then you could strip the wall totally off. So if you have any questions, comments, anything you may want to know, just please leave them in the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.